EasyLaser proudly presents Generation XT, unlocking new possibilities. With the birth of Generation XT, EasyLaser introduced a whole new level of freedom when it comes to aligning rotating machinery. For the first time in alignment history, you could now choose freely what display unit to work with, your favorite tablet or smartphone, or the award-winning EasyLaser XT11. So far, we have only scratched the surface of what the XT platform can do. Now, it's time to dig a little deeper and unlock a number of new possibilities in the XT universe. With the new XT dot-type laser measuring units, you can handle bigger machines and longer spans. They also add great capabilities like continuous sweep and multi-point measurement, and the ability to check machine-based twist. Moreover, you can now also do belt alignment on the XT platform. Use the XT belt alignment units on their own, or get them as add-ons to your shaft alignment gear. Perform your alignment work faster, easier, and with more freedom. Enjoy total measurement independence with EasyLaser and Generation XT.